How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can activate Best Buy credit card online. The first step is to open up any web browser, then search for Activate Best Buy credit card. Now you want to click on the very first website that you can see. On this web page, you will first have to verify your card information. For that, you will have to complete all the fields given below. First, go ahead and enter your card number. After that, enter your name. Make sure to enter it as it appears on your card. Then enter the security code. Now enter the last four digits of the primary cardholder's social security number. Once you have entered all the details, check it again to ensure accuracy. Now click on the Verify option. Once your details have been verified, you want to follow the on-screen prompts. Once you do that, your card will then be activated. After your card is activated, you are going to receive an email or notification stating that your card is ready to use. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer support. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.